Hi guys, welcome back to another video and another 1/18 car we've got with us today. This is QY Toys. First I'll show you the brand right here. This is QY Toys. Everywhere it's written alloy car. So in case you know, present day diecast cars, they are made with alloys. So it says alloy car. Over here also we say it says alloy car, and it's got a lot of features. It's got a pull back, it's got light, sound. You'll actually need Google Translate to see what exactly is this. You can do that. Now I'll come on to the best part about this QY Toys. You get this beautiful car art here, all the features, steerable wheels, seat slide, light, then it's got horn or something, I'll have to check, and it's got a lot of opening parts. But the best part as a collector, what I think is definitely this. You've got the Land Rover logo right here, and it says Land Rover, and the Land Rover logo are trademarks owned and licensed by the Jaguar Land Rover Limited. So this is a licensed model which makes this very nice and collectible. 1/18 big size. I'll unbox and show you. Here we've got written alloy car. Here we've got the window box. Window box is basically you get a window here to peek at the car. You can see what the car looks like. It's in the classic Land Rover Defender Pangea green shade. Some more Chinese text or whichever language this is, you'll have to Google and check. Land Rover Defender. And over here we've actually got a lot of the features explained, all the warnings and all of that. So this part is all in a language which I do not understand, but there's got a lot of cool features, so you can translate this and see what all features does this have. Now I'll just quickly unbox it and show it to you. So inside the window box we get this is known as a foam box in common parlance, which is like the foam is there to protect the car. I'll quickly see, it is not screwed to the base, so there are no screws. As soon as you take off the foam, the car will be in your hands. So right now I'll just see, okay, this part is taped shut, so you probably need to slice it. So there we go, we take off the foam box. It's got this butter paper inside, and we pick the car up. Need to be a little careful, it's offering some resistance. I need to see which part is offering the resistance. Here we go. See this part, this is the hood, and the hood has been covered with this cellophane kind of a protective covering. So if I have to just take this off to show it to you, damn, this looks like tape. This is not very nice actually, because tape can damage the paint. But anyway, this actually got some air bubbles marked on the hood. I'll need to correct that later on. I'll keep this safely. So now quickly let's just come on to the model itself. This is what the model looks like, and it's really big. If I have to show you in comparison, right now for size comparison, I've brought over here, this is a 1/18 G-Wagon by iScale, which is a very good brand proper. So if you compare these side by side, you will realize that, okay, the Defender is not small in size. It's got a very good size of its own. It's a beautiful model. So this is pretty much it why I brought the G-Wagon right here, so that you can at least see what the size is like. Just because it's QY Toys, a brand you've not heard of, you might be worried that, okay, is the size small, is the size off? It's actually a lot better than what Maestro Burago do, because sometimes they make it 1/20 or something. So this looks proper 18. I'll just keep the G-Wagon aside. Now that we've seen that the size is good, let's just come on to the features. It's got functioning suspension, front and rear both functioning suspension, which is very nice, high quality. Over here we've got a roof carrier at the top, great roof carrier, and also over here we've got a ladder, and here we've got a box. Now I'm not really sure if this box open. Oh wow, it opens. So the box opens, and it's actually got a shovel inside. Is the shovel detachable? Might be. I'm not going to risk it. Might end up breaking it, but yeah, this is very cool. I love this. I can actually close this box, which is very cool. Then over here we've got a ladder. This side we've got a ladder, and the ladder is actually, I think you can unfold it. Yep, you can unfold the ladder, which is also very, very, very cool. This car has got a lot of play value, collectible value, whatever you want to say. You can actually toy around with it, which is very nice in itself. Then we come on to more exciting stuff. I think from the looks of it, you can fold and unfold the mirrors, which is also a very cool thing. You can do this. Then, so I can see right here that they've given a small space here. So maybe the fuel lid is openable. I have not been able to open it. So if you have got this car, let me know if the fuel lid is openable or not. Then the rear door is definitely openable. You can open the rear door and the interior space and all. That is pretty nice. And this has got the rear third row up kind of a configuration. So this has got very little boot space, but you know, like if this was folded or something, the boot space would have been more. Then we come on to the base. In the base, you can see that the drivetrain has been very well replicated. The drivetrain, you've got the exhaust detailing, all of it so well done. And also you get this, so you can take this out and you've got light and sound. So we'll come on to the light and sound part in a bit. First, just let's look at the side. Then you've got the snorkel over here because this is a left-hand drive car. So snorkel is on this side and very nicely done. In fact, the detailing about this is that, you know, see this side the snorkel is going. So Defender has this slot. This slot is made specifically for the snorkel so that when you want to fit a snorkel, you do not really need to drill or, you know, do anything. You just can remove this and fit a one. Then over this part, the alloys are very nice. It's got rubber tires and these are also steerable. If you look at it, these are connected to the steering and these are steerable. So you can pose it and you can take some good pictures. Also, it rolls very freely, as you can see, very freely rolling, which is very nice and exciting. Then it's got all doors opening. So it's a Chinese model, so every time you open a door, it greets you in Chinese. Cool. This is what the car looks like, all parts opening. So this is what the car looks like, all parts opening. And then over here inside this, I found this. This is a mini suction kind of a thing which they have given. So if you open it, I'll just show you. You can actually use its suction cup to open car parts. Then we come on here, we've got the openable hood, of course, and this has got a beautiful 110 branding because this is the Defender 110. You've got these side classic elements of the Defender. Headlamps detailing, very nice. Grille detailing, very nice. Land Rover logo. Then more stuff over here. The skid plate, it looks great. Wiper detailing. The windscreen looks nice. Then when we come on here, I'll just show you. In the interior, you can actually slide the seats, so that is very cool. If I move the wheels, you can see the steering rotates. So that is also there, that the steering is connected to the wheels. Inside the engine bay, the openable hood, you've got great engine detailing, very well done. You've got red calipers in the wheels, so the wheels get red calipers which look very nice. And also, if I have to show you the tool which they have given me, I can put it like this and I can create a gap to open my hood and all of it. I realized we have not spoken a lot about the rear detailing, so it gets the beautiful spare wheel with the cover with Defender written, the classic iconic Defender tail lamps. You've got the tow hook right here, both sides. You've got the skid plate, you've got the Defender badging. Best part about the model, definitely that Defender is spelled as Defender. It's a licensed model. It's not a fake, you know, a Chinese copying kind of a model which is rip-off or unlicensed. The license makes this really collectible. Even at the front over here, you've got proper Defender written, which looks great. So let me know, guys, what did you think about this model? Do you think it's collectible? Do you think it's worth the price? And of course, it's got this party trick where it's got light and sound. I'll just show it to you. So that is the front, and we've got the rear. So that is the front and rear light and sound show which you get. I really hope it had an option where only lights would light up and there would be no sound. But unfortunately, we don't have that option. This is it, guys. Short video about the Defender by QY Toys 1/18 scale. I've made this video in English so that anywhere in the globe you're watching this, hopefully you are able to understand a lot of what I'm speaking. And hope you like this model. Let me know, what is it priced in your country, wherever you're watching it, and do you plan to get it? I mean, after watching this video, after holding it in my hand, I am pleasantly surprised because, you know, I've got a lot of Maestros, Buragos, Auto Arts, a lot of different brands which I've collected over the years. But talking about the value for money which this model is offering right now, it's pretty insane. Thank you.